Welcome to the Kits Collaborator. This is the sync screen. To follow along with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and sync the Kits sample collection located under Planning Typicals and the Kits Office Environment Elements catalog under the Kits Design collection. To start a new project, tap the plus sign. This is the scene builder. First, create a project name and then to add an item, tap Add Item. I'm going to add a typical by tapping Planning Typicals, then tapping through the Kits sample collection until I see all the typicals I can select from. Find the typical you want to use. Tap it, then tap Add to Project and drag it into the scene. To learn more about searching for items, be sure to watch the Searching for Items and Typicals Help video. Let's add a plant by tapping Add Item, then Catalog, then Home. Tap the Kits Design collection to access the KOE catalog. Let's add a plant by tapping Plants. To quickly add an item from the catalog filter, double tap it and then drag it into the scene. To get a closer view, pinch to zoom in. To move an item, first select the item by tapping on it, then dragging it in the scene. You can vertically raise an item by tapping the up-down icon to activate the action. Then tap and drag the item with one finger up or down. If the Snap to aid is on, the plant will snap to position at the height of the table's surface. To check your alignment, you can switch views. I'm going to switch to the plan view and turn off Snap to place the item on the table's surface. Now back to the 3D view. To pan your view, use one finger. To rotate your view, use 2 fingers. If you ever need a reminder on how to switch your views or edit items in the scene, tap the hand icon and review the gesture ribbon. When you're ready to save your project, tap Projects, tap Save, and you're all done.